Hey guys, last time I didn't show you my account. I'm just EddieToad55. If you want to send me a friend request, you can. And today we'll be playing some Jailbreak. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get joining. Hope our server's not full. No. Okay, you guys. I forgot they have missiles, and I'm gonna take the glider, you guys. It wasn't working for me, but I'll try today. Coming through. Excuse me, people, coming through. He has a weapon. This guy has a weapon. I can't arrest him. He has a weapon. Get this guy's weapon.
I'm in the middle of all this.
Put your weapon down. Put it down now.
Oh, that's perfect.
Put your weapon down. Put your weapon down now. Put your weapon down now.
This woman did us a favor, and I'm not going to hang on.
That's pretty funny.
I want to sacrifice a piece of business.
You pickpocket someone.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it.
I'll give you that shit. You made it about telling us we
Yes,
sacrificed everything.
What?
You can't see it completely. It's like faded.
I'm saying, we're drunk.
I'm a cop inside a prison cell.
Only one challenges.
Okay, you guys, that was just funny.
I didn't see it. And I
What's the mission again today? What's the mission? Kill 20 players with a
I just
pistol.
found it when I went to
Kill 20 players with... Oh, it's 40 people.
Wait, where are you guys going?
How am I supposed to...
Oh, shoot.
How do you have a taser? Hands in the air. Hands in the air.
No.
Bye, guys. Okay. Hands in the air.
No, I'm way higher than you.
I will.
Way higher. Like, way higher. Now I'm at the same level as you. You don't know where you were going.
Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. You can get tased. Okay, let's go. Tase up. Somebody love you. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground. Get away! Get away! Okay, I can't.
Ethan! Oh! Oh! Why did it finish me? It's not you. It's always me. Ethan, you're the only one who can save us.
I'm protected. How'd I die? Okay, you guys. I'm bad at jailbreak. You can clearly see. No, I'm a prisoner. Oh no. Oh my money, more. No. I have $1,000 on that pile. Oh, I just wanted to drop my money. I'm the richest person on the server. Let's go. Okay. Escape a different way. Escape this way. I'm climbing up the vent, you guys. Sorry that I'm not talking that much. This video is gonna be like pretty much a little longer. Okay. Not as much as longer, but a little longer. So, yeah. Woohoo. No one knows I'm up here. So you guys, if you wanna try and make it, you wanna jump from, you wanna try to go like that, but behind, go there. Prepare. Let's get out of here. Guys, sorry about this. I don't really talk that much when I'm just trying to get out of this prison, so sorry about that. But I'm gonna go grab a guide, guys. Yeah. Guys, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna find a glider. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, I get what you guys you have to do. It doesn't just fly up. You have to literally go off a cliff and hold glide. Let's go off a cliff. Let's go. It's my turn. I can climb up this mountain. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, keep on going. I could have got a helicopter, that'd be too risky because there's so much people. But I have to get up to this hill. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I landed it. Hands in here. Go, 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 go. I just saw a cop. Okay. Okay, guys. This might be a little longer video, but yeah. This is, who is this? This rattle guy's my friend. I don't know, who he is. Just first one in chat, and whoever gets in chat first, I will send them a friend request. And if you guys want to learn how to record, you need a lot of stuff, but you can. So I got this recorder, and it's easy to use, but yeah. So let's keep on going, everybody. Oh, you guys, did you guys send me any votes? Because I have lots of votes. Get some votes, get some votes. What am I going to get, you guys? I got blue. You guys know about this, but I hide here. So, yeah, guys. I'm going to start opening some crates. And guys, that's just a basic way to escape jailbreak. I used to have a video on my other channel. But I'm using this one now. So you guys, I'm gonna use some of my crates, get some more money. Okay. I just gotta get 40,000, you guys. Okay. Everybody, thanks for watching today. We are gonna be ending the video soon. So in about like 1,